is a tale of Blizzard the bard, traveling the land and fighting so hard. Up north in 10 towns, they needed his aid. Hundreds of greenskins were planning a raid. "Hunter, please help us, we need you to fight. We know that you'll help us and do what is right." Of course he agreed, and he laid down his plans. He'd fight them alone, and he'll face down these clans. Alone on the line, he was solid as stone. He battled the orc horde all on his own. Hundreds cut down until they were all done. Victory was his, and the battle was won. 10 towns was saved, and the people they cheered for their hero, the bard called Blizzard Frostbeard. Oh, Blizzard, what a hero you are. Oh, Blizzard, what a hero you are. Here is a tale of Blizzard the bard, traveling the land and fighting so hard. The small town of Milestone needed his aid. Thieves, scum, and vermin were planning a raid. Dozens of burglars had stormed the town hall. Then Blizzard arrived to capture them all. They fought like demons, and battle commenced. A great magic they had, as Blizzard could sense. They threw arrows and fireballs and metal and flame. He fought them all off, but onwards they came. They knew they couldn't win, and they tasted defeat. Blizzard stood strong, and the thieves did retreat. But the town hall was burning, so up the flame shot. The people were trapped, but our bard saved a lot. Puppies and children, he carried them out. Strength beyond measure, and brave beyond doubt. The jewels were all saved, and the people they cheered for their hero, the bard.